Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting journey across Canada. Today, we're visiting one of the most popular Afghan restaurants in Surrey, British Columbia Afghan Chopan Restaurant. Known for its authentic Afghan flavors and warm hospitality, this restaurant has become a favorite destination for food lovers from different cultures. As we approach the entrance, the restaurant looks welcoming and inviting. From the outside, it has a simple yet elegant appearance, but inside, it offers an unforgettable dining experience inspired by traditional Afghan culture. The moment we step inside, we're greeted by a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Beautiful decor, comfortable seating, soft lighting, and a peaceful environment make this restaurant perfect for families, friends, and special occasions. Every corner of Afghan Chopan Restaurant reflects Afghan traditions and hospitality. The carefully designed interior creates a cozy atmosphere where guests can truly relax and enjoy their meal. The spacious dining area is clean, beautifully arranged, and perfect for both small and large gatherings. Whether you're visiting for lunch or dinner, the restaurant offers a welcoming experience for everyone. Now comes the highlight of our visit, the delicious Afghan cuisine. Every dish is freshly prepared using traditional recipes, high-quality ingredients, and authentic spices that bring out rich and unforgettable flavors. The beautifully presented platters include juicy kebabs, perfectly grilled chicken, tender beef, aromatic rice, freshly baked naan, and colorful salads. Every meal is prepared with great attention to quality and taste. The presentation is simply amazing. Every plate looks colorful, fresh, and full of flavor. It's easy to see why Afghan cuisine is loved by people from all around the world. Beyond the delicious food, the friendly service and relaxing atmosphere make this restaurant even more special. It's a wonderful place to enjoy quality time with family and friends while experiencing authentic Afghan hospitality. If you're visiting Surrey or the greater Vancouver area and looking for authentic Afghan food, Afghan Chopan Restaurant is definitely worth adding to your list. Vancouver is famous for its incredible combination of modern city life and breathtaking natural beauty. Surrounded by mountains, forests, and the Pacific Ocean, it's often ranked among the world's most livable cities. As we walk through the city, you'll notice impressive skyscrapers standing alongside beautiful parks and peaceful waterfronts. The streets are clean, the atmosphere is lively, and people from different cultures make Vancouver one of Canada's most diverse cities. Thank you for joining me on today's culinary journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and stay connected for more amazing travel and food adventures across Canada. See you in the next video.